So as you can see it here, I did cut it down, all these small bits and pieces from the lens. I have protected, so now I can take down the protection. So now it's all cut it down. This part here is the front part, so where it will be the lens front element. So what I have to do now is to clean it up a little bit, remount the front element here, the front glasses, and then, you know, try to find a structure, try to use this structure that I'm using right now, and try to attach this so that I can you know, pull the focus, and hopefully it will work with the Canon Eosm. Here you can see I have cleaned up, so I took out the glass even from this part, and I cleaned up because it was just very dirty. So now I have to put the front element on it, and I will show you how it looks like. We have there all the screw elements. This is the front element, and then I have it here, the ibis. So firstly I will install the ibis, the aperture, because it has this mechanism, as you can see it here, right? Let me just see how this one is actually. I have to install it. I think like this. I think it is like this. Yes. So I have to screw them back, these two elements. This is good. Oh. Okay, so that's back. Now the secondary screw. Like this. Okay, so this is great because now I can protect the lens, and that's very important. So this phase is done. Now I have to just put the front element, and then everything is good. So now I just have to find the position. Yeah, this is it. Okay, now I have to. So the work, the first part of the work anyway, it is done. Here it is, this strange spherical 6mm Panasonic lens. So I work now the backwards. So now this, I have to find a system as I can mount it to mount on the Canon EOS-M, and afterwards I can test it.